Okay. So, may mga na-meet kami ni Chokes na bagong tao ulit. Tapos, ang galing nila kasi, nasa-solve nila yung mga issues sa lugar nila. Naggamit nila sa entablado, sa pagdedebate. Ganun. Awesome.
Hey there, freshman. Did you know that 60% of Athenians are women and that 30% of them are hot?
Really?
Yeah, they're getting hotter.
Where did you get that?
From our surveys, of course. Oh, and if you want to know how many of them make out along Sequoia, we got the data.
So many things happening and will happen. We have to move past the idea that our duties as citizens stop when we cast our votes.
We need to be more critical and involved. It is not enough to be just either or.
It's good that we're moving as individuals, but we would do a better job if we move as a whole.
That is why the assembly is different from others. The lyrics of the cry are not only for us, but also for those who are unheard. We speak for those who are mute. We give sight for those who want social change.
Genuine social change. Because our duties as citizens do not stop after the elections.
Makibaka! Makibaka!
Cholo! Uy, nawawala ka ba?
Sakto. Patulong naman oh.
Sige lang.
Hindi ko alam anong sasalihan ko, Org eh. Ano bang passions mo sa buhay? So, ang pera.
Social entrepreneurship ang para sa iyo.
Ano yun?
Matututo ka paano kumita ng pera.
Makakatulong ka pa sa iba. Wow. Wait, meron pang iba?
Ano pang gusto mo?
Siyempre babae.
Gender advocacy sa para naman sa'yo.
Uy, ano yun?
Makakilala ka ng mga babae, magaganda na, empowered pa.
Wait, isa pa. Meron pa akong gusto isa.
Okay.
Traveling.
Cultural heritage ang para sa iyo.
Uy, ano yun?
Makikita mo ang buong Pilipinas from Luzon, Visayas to Mindanao.
Sige, sama na ako.
Because here at DEMSO, you provide the passion, we connect them.
Hey, sorry I'm late. Just came from a hectic cheerleading practice.
Yeah, I'm sure as a cheerleader with your Paris Hilton IQ, you have a lot of things to stress about.
Well, school really is hard. What can I do?
Dudes.
Excuse you! Just because status quo perceives aesthetically gifted individuals to be less substantive, that does not give people like you the right to reinforce these socially constructed discriminatory stereotypes. Are you okay?
Wow.
Hi, I'm Nico.
And I'm Isa. And we're both part of the Athenaeum HPAIR.
HPAIR has events that address pressing international issues. We send students abroad to international conferences such as the Harvard National Conference or the Harvard Asian Conference. And this way, you meet international students from all over the world.
And aside from having close ties with the Ramon Magsaysay Awards Foundation, we also have events that cater to the local arena, like the HPAIR National Conference.
So what are you waiting for? Join HPAIR.
Talk sense.
And make change.
Uy, girl, what's wrong?
Wala na. There's no one left. All 10 of my prospective boyfriends have found girlfriends, and none of them is me. What's wrong with me? Hindi naman ako pangit, diba?
Ano ka ba? Hindi kasi, alam mo, ang problem mo, economics lang yan. Kasi diba ganito yan? Diba ganyan? Tapos, yung supply mo, ito. Diba? Tapos yung demand mo, ito. Kaya lang, yung problem mo, yung demand mo, it's impossibly high. Kaya ang lalabas, yung supply mo mag-shift to the left like this. This means na mas onti yung supply ng men available to you. Tapos, ang mas malala pa, yung supply mo, masyadong mataas yung price nila, hindi mo kaya yung
Grabe, I don't know how to